afternoon, everyone. Welcome to some Lego time. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell. New videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Hope everyone's well. Hi. So today we're back with Lego Ideas Blacksmiths. We're gonna get this finished off. Well, for me it'll be today. For you, it'll be about another week of videos, and then we're on to something. We're under something very tasty, which I am currently working on. It's just there. I'm trying to keep out of camera line as yeah, I'm taking a great deal of care in it. Anyway, not going to go on about that yet. Check out my social media for teasers upcoming. For that, social media is on the screen now. See, there's things on the screen bouncing around. Press on, check them out. Give us a follow, much appreciated. So today we're going to do the upstairs. This is going to be the living quarters. This is going to be around where the obviously under the rafters. So first things first, I give you the best looking bed I've ever seen in Lego. That thing is a work of art. Congratulations, young man, for such a brilliant thing. And I am going to copy the design, but only so far. The pattern work I do like. I'm gonna put my own spin on that. As for the bed size, I think it's a good size, but I'm gonna do it a little bigger and with a bit of a twist. So that's kind of cool. So let's just double check where this bed goes because I can't rightly remember right now. If you want to see how the bed's put together, the instructions are in the description as usual below. Right, how close to that triangle does this need to be? Because it's not showing me. No worries, we'll put it in as best we can. Yeah, I'm going like that. So push that in there like that. As usual, I am taking out the book just for the fact of, well, I don't want to get it wrong. Because if I get it wrong, I'll be very upset with myself. So next, we're going to do the roof portions here. Get a little brown 1x1s. Push them together. Push them on like that. And like that. Cool. A little angle. Oh, hello, like pinball. Point. There it is. Pop that on like that. Gravy. Grab our 2x4, 1x4 reddish brown. I am currently waiting for some of them to be delivered. I went to the Lego store at Meadowhall today, trying to get some. Today being the 27th of June. I was there today, trying to find some of the pieces I required. Got some of what I needed, not all of them, so I do need to find another Lego store close by that may have what I require. So let's pop reddish brown 2x4 block. Pop a hinge point on. So we get two. Oh, three, sorry. My apologies, three. We put that one on there. That one on there. It's these what I call registration plate holders. It's a modified plate. Put that on there. Goes on there like that. Goes on like that. And that goes on there like that. So as you can see, looking really nice so far. It's a beautiful model. It's given me a lot of inspirations for something that I have personally planned. It will be, what I'm planning on doing is something I've already created, but I'm going to recreate it in the physical world rather than a drawing. And the other ways I've done it, I'm actually going to make it real. As real as it can be anyway. So I am quite excited about it. I've been drawing stuff like it for years. So I thought, why not? We've got Lego. We know what we're doing, sort of. Why don't we just give it a crack? Well, you know what? Why not? I can't honestly think of a reason why I shouldn't. So I'm gonna. Oh, the nice mouldings around the window. I do like that. Next is white portion on the top like that. That goes on like that. That goes on like that. Goes on like that. Do apologise to headphone wearers out there. The bricks do make quite a bit of noise when they're coming out of the trays. They tend to clang a little. You just hear the comment section now. A little? Try a lot. I'm deaf. Sorry. So we put on our staggered. There we go. Staggered pieces. Brown 4 in the middle to hold it together. Put our 1x2 modified on there. Noise. Regular viewers were saying, Matt, why are you not using your bamboo tub? It's here, but it does make quite a bit of noise. I'm trying to do it with as little noise as possible because it is quite loud. We'll take our 2 pieces. Put that on like that. And then our brown 1x2 flat. Pop that on there. There's 1. Our angled 1x2 slanted. There like that. And then we get our other ones. going like that. Again, 1 by 2 in the middle to hold it together nicely. Get clipped on like that. Next, get your 2 by 8 flat and your 2 by 2 flat below that. Push that on there like so. Get your other 2 by 4 flat, pop that on like that. Brown block in the middle, completes the roof, or the roof supports, we say. Take your 1 by 2 angles, them on like that, them on like that. There you go. Looking good, folks. Looking good. Looking very good. Next. Oh, next. Take our 2 blocks, which are 2 by 2 reddish brown, not dark brown, reddish brown. Our 2 by 3 flat, same colour, reddish brown. I actually look at traditional brown versus reddish brown. I actually prefer reddish brown. I just think it has a much nicer colour. It's got it's like what's the word? I don't sound like a chef. It's got a richer texture to it. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, but it does have a richer texture to it, which is nice. So now we're going to build the outcropping that sits on the top of here. You can see that or not, it sits on the top of there. Some street signs in brown. That then sits on there like so. That sits on there. Like that. And then we get our other brown sign. Pop that on like that. But yes, the red crown just seems to give it a bit more depth. It's the colour. Just looks that bit nicer. Right, next 2 by 4 flat. Push that in the middle. The middle. These roof tiles I've looked for, they are expensive. There's no way I'm doing the whole project I've got planned in them. That'd be monstrously expensive. So again, clips on like that. Ta-da! It can move obviously, but it gives it the angle, which is nice. Again, yeah, just like that. It sits in the middle. You get 1 by 4 the back. Tile at the front. Like that. Clips on like that. And then we just adjust that like that. There we go, and it was slightly too high, literally about 1 millimeter too high. So a quick adjustment on that, and that's now fine. So that's where we're up to now. And that brings us on to bag 11. So, my lovely friends, thanks for watching this quick video, and I will be back with bag 11 in the next one, and then we'll push on to get this finished. Hopefully you're enjoying the video, hopefully you're enjoying the build. It's a fantastic thing. If you're thinking of going and get it, please do. Please do. It's a brilliant set. You will not regret it. I think it personally, it is wonderful. I'm very, very much enjoying it. So I'll see you in the next episode of Leg with Fonzie. Look after yourselves. Look after those you care about. Be safe in these crazy times, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And I'll see you all then. Good night, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Take care of yourself. See you all later. Ta-da, my friends. Bye for now.
The fawns be with you.
And also with you.
Let us A.